Good evening, everyone. It's a brand new day. It's a brand new week, I would say. It's Monday, and here we are today with the 10th episode of The Influence with Joel, proudly powered by Klogard Fresh Blast. And at the start of the show, I always say that it is only because of you, the lovely, the loyal, the lovable viewers that we are able to do such shows. So thank you very much for always tuning in. And today too, you're here with me to ask the questions from your favorite personalities. And there have been so much of requests from me regarding guests, but we try to accommodate everyone as much as possible. But nevertheless, thank you very much, and I'm hoping that your valued comments, you share the content, you subscribe to the channel, and you like all my content. So thank you very much for all the love that you have shown throughout the past weeks and days. So thank you very much to each one of you. Today, without much further ado, we are going to introduce you our lovely guest. She is a lovely person, I would say, and she has such a lovely God-given voice. You know who my guest is today on The Influence with Joel, powered by Klogard Fresh Blast. Without much further ado, let's get my guest on the line.
Hi!
Good evening. What's up? How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Very good. Not too bad. You're looking
I'm
vibrant.
sorry in advance. My connection is all over the place.
Okay, don't worry, because we are all going through, all of us are in the same boat. So let's hope and pray that the connection doesn't get bad and connection is in our favor. So let's start off the live by saying that you're looking vibrant, you're looking full of energy, and I'm happy to have you with me on the show, Fallon, Andrea Jansen.
So
I think I said it right.
Yes, you did.
Good stuff. Okay, so without much further ado, I will tell you one thing. Your fans love you so much, and the moment they got to know that you're joining on the show, there have been so much of comments, there have been so much of requests for the lovely Fallon and Andrea. So hats off to your fans, and I'm sure they're watching you right away and now as well. Yes, and especially not forgetting everyone from your school as well. So
yes, my gosh.
So I'm sure, Fallon, it has been a crazy day for all of us because after some time, the whole thing has been relaxed and people have been out and about, but nevertheless, they are with us today as well for this live session. So to ease out everything, shall we start off with something of your magical voice, that powerhouse? Let's hear something from you to all your lovely fans and viewers.
I released one of my originals last week, Joel. I'll sing a little part of that.
Sure.
Matmadu pirena sadde palla prema karala ne antalla pare Nindedi penena hina halala aletululvi hina mekila nene Hide gumnate ruwe lankare Hit kone atite ma kero dani vi unravte vi aaye Nitabe denete patale vi mage Hatali vena de no dani vi vage Nitame vena de patale vi vage Hatali vena de no dani vi vage
There you go. Everyone says there you go, and you did superb. Thank you very much. What a lovely voice and lovely way to start off the session. Super stuff.
Oh.
So, Fallon, api me session neka will try to do it in a Singlish way so that we reach out to a lot of your fans as well. I think api bahasa dekemma mix එකක් කියමු. Singlish කියලා අලුත් භාෂාවකින් ඒ භාෂාවෙන් වැඩේ කරමු. Right. Okay. So, I won't take much of your time because everyone wants to know more about Fallon and Andrea Jansen, and that is why we bring you on the show, because they love you and they want to know more about you. So we'll start off, Fallon, how did the journey of an influencer begin for you? How did you get on Instagram?
How did I get on Instagram? I think I joined around 2013 while I was doing my A-levels. මම මුලින්ම ජොයල් මම පටන් ගත්තේ මගේ cover එකක් කියලා දාන්න Instagram එකේ. I think back then it was only 15 second, we could only upload 15-second long videos.
Yes.
So what I did was I did covers, I did small covers. So I think by that I gathered a little, an amount of people who really loved my singing. Mama itanin thamai joy patan gatte. I didn't post on Facebook or YouTube.
Okay.
I think Instagram is actually special for me because that's
Okay.
how I started singing for people other than my family and friends.
Okay,
so
so-
that is how I actually joined Instagram.
Okay, so it's definitely a very special place for you because everyone got to know more about Fallon and her lovely voice apart from your family through Instagram. So hats off
Yes.
to you, and may your journey on Instagram just grow from strength to strength. Okay.
Thank
With that,
you.
Fallon, මම ඔයාලට කිව්වා show එක පටන් ගන්නකොට මම පොඩි post එකක් දැම්ම ask Fallon කියලා. ask Fallon කිව්වම ගොඩක් අයට ඕනෙලා තිබ්බ මොනවාද මේ අපිට අහගන්න ආස ප්‍රශ්න ගොඩක් තියෙනවා. ඉතින් you know not hard questions. මොකද මම ෆිල්ටර් කරලා තමයි මේ ප්‍රශ්න අහන්නේ, නැත්තම් හැමදේම මෙතන අහන්න බෑනේ. So
අහන්න ගියොත් එහෙම
වහන්න ගියොත් පොඩි ප්‍රශ්නයක් වෙනවා. ඉතින් we'll start off with the first question, right? You're ready for this? These are your fan questions. Then බලාගෙන ඉන්න fans ලා ප්‍රශ්න අහලා තියෙනවා මේ live එක පටන් ගන්නකොට, but you will get a chance to ask all the questions towards the end of the live. Stay tuned because Fallon will be answering some superb questions and she's also going to sing for us more songs. So stay tuned. We'll ask her these questions as we go along. So the first question to you comes from one of your lovely fans. Devmini is asking, if Fallon Andrea Jansen gets a chance to act, will you take up the task?
I don't think, Joel, because I think that's a huge subject. We should learn about it before doing. මම හිතන්නේ මම කවදාවත් රඟපාන්න යයි කියලා මම හිතන්නේ. I don't think.
කවදාවත්ම නැහැ.
කවදාවත්ම නැහැ කියන්නේ තාම මගේ හිතකවත් නැහැ තාම රඟපානවා කියන එක තාම නැහැ.
තාම නැහැ. හරි. Okay. The next question, it's a very interesting question. A lot of girls have this question coming along. Sarah is asking, how do you manage to wear such high heels? I don't know whether I said it right, but how do you manage to wear these high heels?
I don't know. So I somehow manage. I perform with very high heels. That's true. මම හිතන්නේ Joel, that comes with the අර stage එක උඩට ගියාම that with that energy and everything. I think that's how I manage.
ඒ කියන්නේ heels එක ඇඳන්ම හොඳ ගැම්මක් එනවද Fallonට?
Oh yes.
Okay.
Stage එක රැග්ගම full.
So heels is a main part of your singing. You get that whole energy coming along, no?
Yes,
Okay.
definitely.
Right. So I'm sure you had like a super memorable school life. I think Harini is asking, Fallon, what is your most memorable day in school?
Most memorable day ගොඩක් තියෙනවා Joel, but then මට අමතක වෙන්නේ නැති දවසක් තමයි I missed my literature paper, A-level literature paper. I did. I know. Face palm. මම දවස වැරදියට මම කැලෙන්ඩර් එකේ මාක් කරගෙන I missed my second or first paper literature. ඒක කොහොම අමතක කරන්නද මම?
A-level results අහන්නේ නැහැ results. ඉතින් Fallon කියලා කියන්නේ A-level paper එක, ඒ කියන්නේ literature paper එක අමතක වෙච්ච දවස පටල ගත්ත ළමෙක්. හරිනේ? Is that right?
ඒක මම හිතන්නේ ගොඩක් අය දන්නවා, ගොඩක් ඉන්ටර්විව්ස් වල කියලා තියෙනවා ඒ කතාව.
ඉතින් මේ how did you overcome that? ඉතින් ඒ වගේ දෙයක් කියන්නේ full
I couldn't for a long time. I couldn't. කුමාරි මම ඒ කියන්නේ Joel, I managed to get there. හැබැයි ඒගොල්ලන්ගේ තියෙනවානේ මේලක කියන්නේ ඉන්විජිලේටර් බලලා වෙලාවෙන් වෙලාවට they mark. මෙයා මෙතන ඉන්නවද කියලා එක වෙලාවකට බලලා ඊට පස්සේ පැයකින් ආයෙ බලලා, so they have marked and sealed the paper. මම එතනට යනකොට so they told they can't give me the paper. එතකොට I think it took me a really long time to get over it.
Thank wow. So now you missed your literature paper. ඉස්සලාම paper එක දැන් hall එකෙන් එළියට එනකොට යාළුවෙක් හම්බුණානේ. යාළුවෙක් හම්බෙන්න ඇතිනේ. මොනවාද යාළුවෝ ටික what did they tell you at that particular time?
I really can't remember. මට ඒ වෙලාව හැටියට I can't remember.
What was your reaction like? Were you crying the entire time, or how did you get over it?
I wasn't crying. I hardly cried. But then I was upset. I was upset for a long time. I was upset.
Okay. So there you go. We come up with all these things, and you get to know another side of the guest. Everyone is like Holy Family Convent, Holy Family Convent. Kira thank me messages sent up here, right? From your friends. Right. So these are the easy questions, right? We have more questions, but because we have limited time, I won't be asking you all these fan questions, right? Fans love chances, then I've got a pass. Now we are going into a segment. This is a surprise segment to you as well. I don't think I informed you about this. This is called Everything Wrong About Fallon and Gia. Okay? What you have to answer here is everything as in the wrong answer. උත්තර දෙන්න ඕනේ ඔක්කොම වැරදි උත්තර. මම ඔයගෙන් ඇහුවොත් what is your name? You shouldn't say my name is Fallon Andrea Jansen. You should say
It's gonna be hard.
You should be like Sepalikavo, Sakuntala, something like that. Okay. Something like. Are you ready? So this is everything wrong about Fallon Jansen. Then බලාගෙන ඉන්න හිතන ඇති Fallon මේ උත්තර දෙන්නේ මොනවද කියලා. But this is the segment. This is everything wrong about Fallon Andrea. Right? Are you ready? You're ready for
I'm
this?
ready.
Okay, let's do this. Everything wrong about Fallon. Question number 1. Let's go for this. The most famous person in your phone.
Most famous person in my phone.
Everything wrong about you.
Jennifer, my sister.
Okay. Something that you lose your temper.
Sorry, Joel, I can't hear you properly.
Something that you would lose your temper for.
Lose my what?
Your temper. Something you would get really angry about.
Something I get really angry about. මට ඔක්කොම එන්නේ හරි උත්තරේ ඔළුවට.
වැරදි එක තමයි කියන්න ඕනේ.
This is harder than I thought. මොකක්ද ඉතින්?
Something that you would lose your temper.
That's my thing. When someone admires me.
Okay. Right. Next one. The name you like to be called the most.
Like to be called the most.
Come on, you have to be quick now. කියන්න ඕන හොඳ නමක් කියන්න පුළුවන්.
Ayyo. Some people call me Jansa. I don't like it.
Okay, right. The most posh thing about you.
On a most posh thing about me. මම තැනකට ගියාම ඒකට අනුව හැසිරෙන්න පොඩ්ඩක් වෙලා යනවා මට. That's the most posh thing about me.
Okay, this is going to be interesting. This is everything wrong about Fallon. The final question for you is something about your boyfriend.
I have a boyfriend.
So tell me something wrong
I
about
have a
your
boyfriend.
Something wrong about your boyfriend.
I have a boyfriend.
Something wrong about him.
No, sir. I said I have a boyfriend because I don't have a boyfriend. Does that make sense? I don't know.
No, now I'm telling you something wrong about the boyfriend you have.
But this is so confusing. What should I say?
Say something about him, something wrong about him.
He's bold.
Okay, there you go. You answered well. That's about it.
දාඩියක් දානවා Joel.
අපි එහෙම තමයි first segment එක full hype එකකට ගෙනල්ලා ඊට පස්සේ තමයි අපි relax කරන්නේ, right? So all your fans are going crazy. They are like laughing so much. Right. So you answered well. I know it was a little bit of a hard one, but now we are getting into the real life questions. Okay? So Fallon, අපි මේකට කියන්නේ the trend questions කියලා. Are you ready for trend questions?
Yeah.
It's called trend questions. Okay, so now you have to answer the correct thing about it. Okay, so now you have a lot of
Uh-huh.
opportunity to answer the correct thing about you. Trend question number 1. Your habit you can never break. A habit you have
Repeat
that
that
you can
again,
never
Joel.
get rid of. A habit you have that you can never get rid of.
I forgive people easily.
So you can't get rid of that habit.
Yes.
Okay. Something you do when you want to ignore someone in public.
I wear my shades and my earbuds. ඇහෙන්නෙත් නැහැ, පේන්නෙත් නැහැ.
The next one. A sport you think you will do best.
I used to swim, to be honest. I stopped it because I had to do my A-levels. I had to concentrate on my A-levels. ඊට පස්සේ after that again I started swimming. ඊට පස්සේ when I started doing my degree, I again stopped it. So I think swimming.
Okay, right. Something you did and you regret on a date. Shall I rephrase the question to you? Something
Yes,
you did,
yes.
something you have done, and you regret about it so much.
Missing my lip paper.
Something else we don't know.
Sorry, on a date. Sorry. My sisters are telling me on a date, Fallon, on a date.
On a date. Thanks to your sisters, I got something which I
yes.
didn't expect. What is it? Okay, I'll ask you the question. Something you did and you regret. Something you did and you regret on a date.
I honestly can't remember.
So that means when was the last time you went
It's
on a
been
date?
so long. Yes, it's been so long.
It's been so long you went on a date, so you can't remember. Okay, right.
Yes.
Your friends are like, no, it's not true. Have you ever been rejected? Have you ever been rejected? It doesn't have to only be limited to love or anything. Have you ever been rejected in life?
Yes, many times.
Can you tell us one instance?
Actually, yes. I think I won Friends in. There's a competition called Friends in Action. It's very popular among the teens.
Okay.
I won the title on 2017, but then the year before that, I went and auditioned for the same competition, and I got. I didn't get selected from the first round. So that is like one of the. I think.
One of the worst rejections you ever faced in life.
Yes.
Okay, right. If you had a perfume brand, what would you name it?
Perfume brand.
This is your own perfume, and what would you name the brand?
Fierce.
Wow. And what would it smell like? Fierce?
Yes.
Okay, right. The next one, something you're proud about apart from singing.
Apart from singing, something that I
something
do apart from singing that I'm proud of.
Yes, you're proud about. Something, it could be anything.
I'm actually proud to have a supportive family.
So you're proud about it. Okay.
Yes.
Are your sisters alongside you? Are they by your side?
They are. දෙපැත්තම ඉන්න දෙන්න.
ඒ දෙන්නට පොඩ්ඩක් කියන ලෑස්ති වෙන්න කියලා මොකද මේ අපි ලයිව් එක ඉවරනකොට ඒ දෙන්නත් ගෙන්න ගම පොඩ්ඩක් මොනවද පෙන්නන්න කියලා. ටක්ගාල ගිහලා පොඩ්ඩක් මේකප් එකක් දාගෙන එන්න කියන්නේ. හරි. I'm just kidding. Okay, the next one. If you were a superhero, what power would you like to have?
I'd like to be invisible.
And who would you want to go and check? Whose life would you want to go and check being invisible?
My best friend and my exes.
Okay, good one. I would do the same. Okay, the next one. Tell us a lie you have recently told. A lie you have recently told.
මම හැමදාම උදේට මේ අපේ මමාට බොරු කියන මං කෑවා කියලා.
Again, උදේට
ඒක
කන්න
තමයි මම ඩේට් කියන පොත. නෑ මම පොඩ්ඩක් මේ දවස්වල ජොයල් චුට්ටක් පරක්කු වෙනවා නැගිටින්න. එතකොට කන්නේ දවල්ටයි උදේටයි කම්බයින් කරලා තමයි කන්නේ.
හේතුවක් තියෙනවද නිකන් මේ ෆිගර් එක මේන්ටේන් කරගන්න
අනේ no.
ඩයට් ප්ලෑන් එකක් නෙමෙයි. නිකන් මේ දවස්වල පොඩ්ඩක් පරක්කු වෙන එක එහෙම සිද්ධ. Okay, right.
Oh.
Your final question is for this segment, something you would never want to do.
Something I would never want to do. Something I would never want to do.
Yes.
I haven't thought about it. This is hard.
Come on, Fallon, you can do it. You can just think. Just something random.
Something random would be okay?
Yeah, I'm okay.
I would never want to jump off a cliff.
Yeah, of course, because you won't be there after that. See, it's such a simple question. Something you would never want to do, jump off a cliff, then there's no more Fallon and Ria. Okay.
I know.
Very well answered. Kotak vela gatta. The making or vela ganna puluvan, but the next segment you can't take time. Okay, because you have just 5 seconds and 3 things you have to mention. Okay?
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So Fallon, very quickly, just before we go into the next segment, everyone is asking for a song of yours. Api potak Nagaland sinduවක් කියමුද?
Netherlands silver.
සාමාන්‍යයෙන් එන්න රික්වෙස්ට් එකක් නේ Nagaland sinduවක් කියමුද කියලා. So shall we sing a song? Podi.
So I'll sing this song. I sang during the competition and people loved this audition drill. So I'll sing a little bit of that song. අරවුණු මල් නැවත නැතේ පිපෙන්නේ ගඟු ජලේ නැත හැරිලා ගලන්නේ දවසක් ගත වුණා කියා හිරු අවරේ කිලී ගියා සැමදා නැත සම පායන්නේ අරවුණු මල් නැවත නැතේ පිපෙන්නේ ගඟු ජලේ නැත හැරිලා ගලන්නේ දවසක් ගත වුණා කියා හිරු අවරේ කිලී ගියා සැමදා නැත සම පායන්නේ.
That is actually one of my personal favorites. I want to tell this. I want to tell this to you, Fallon. So, to be honest, after this competition only, I just started listening to this song. There was on YouTube. I can find this thing like everything, all your songs, a mix of it. So in the vehicle, during office hours when we go on visits and all that, that is like on repeat. Every day it plays and I just love it. You're just amazing.
Thank you. Thank you.
That tone, so good luck to you in everything. So with all that buttering up, and now it's time for you to answer 3 things.
Yes.
3 things in less than 5 seconds. But actually I meant what I said. You're just God-given and talented in what you do. Amazing stuff.
I'm a sloth when it comes to thinking, so wish me luck, guys.
Okay. So you can't take much time because you have 5 seconds. And of course, we are joining with the whistles. You can select a favorite color of yours. I know not every color of yours might be there, but then you can select one of your colors, one of these colors.
I'll go with red.
You'll go with red. Okay. You're ready for this? You want to take a deep breath and get ready? Everyone says
Yes,
good.
I'm ready.
Your fans are like, good luck, Fallon. Okay. You have 5
Right.
seconds to to answer the questions, and you have to answer 3 things, and you have to be very quick because we'll be counting 5 seconds like this and the whistle, right? So here you go. Fallon Andrea answers 3 things in less than 5. Three things your friends say about you.
I'm bubbly. I'm fun to be around. I'm crazy.
Good. 3 sounds of animals you can make.
Kaka, Naria,
Hey,
duck. That makes it out.
you can't name it. I asked three ways. How can you say it? How can you make those noises?
I had to do it and show.
You have to make those noises. Now try to
Right.
do kaka. Okay, first kaka.
I'm doing this.
Next one is
Naria,
Naria.
again.
Next one Naria.
Who? Woo!
That sounds like that doesn't sound like a Naria at all. If the Naria can comment right now, Naria will be like, what did you just do? Third one is duck.
And I changed my answer into cat. Meow.
Okay. So that's okay. I think you need to practice on the Naria a little bit, but good try.
Yes.
The next one.
Thank you.
3 things you would do before a date.
3 things I would do before a date.
You have
I would
5
shave.
seconds.
And I would do a facial or something. And I would use a mouthwash.
Now I won't ask you why, but it's okay. Okay. The next one. Very good answers, actually.
Thank you.
Three things your friends make fun of you.
My nose, my voice, my face.
What's to make fun in those? It's perfect. Everything is perfect. So what do they say about your
I
nose?
don't know. I'm under pressure, Joel. Here.
I need to ask your friends about it. Okay, the
Yes.
next one. 3 times you would use a mouthwash.
Before a date, before performing, and in the morning.
Good. There you go. Very easy. The next one.
Ta.
3 things you dislike of someone.
I don't like when people be rude, when they stink, and when they lie.
Okay. Gaanata 5 seconds in Gaanata Deruna. Ready. Okay. The next one. 3 things you must do every day.
I must do every day. Sleep, eat, brush my teeth.
Exactly what I was even thinking about. Right. The next one. 3 celebrities you would go on a date with.
Oh my God. Mekat Brooks, Taylor Lautner.
Sorry, I'll read
Mehetha?
3 celebrities. Me Lanka. 3 celebrities you would go on a date with in Sri Lanka. Then Corona
Okay, now I'm getting more shy again.
This is your moment to express to all those celebrities you had a crush on.
Hema Ranasinghe.
3 celebrities, Fallon.
Yes, Hema Ranasinghe. Ashen. Ashen, I don't know his surname. Ashen. Ashen, someone.
You just made it up, right?
No,
I
no,
think
no.
the Ashen.
There is,
Okay.
the one who acts in the road from the Elephant Pass. The Sinhala the movie.
People are like,
that.
it's more than 5 seconds. Okay, we'll do this
Oh,
again.
shit, sorry.
3 celebrities in Sri Lanka you would go on a date with. Okay, 1.
Hemal, Ashen, Hemal Ashen. Sorry.
Stage එකේ කවුරුත් හිටියේ නැද්ද? Final එකේ වගේ කවුරුත් නැහැ.
Nah. Nah.
So only 3 people. Okay, the next one. 3 names you would call your husband for love.
Baba, Patio, Baby.
Baba, Patio, Baby. Okay. Your final question is 3 hidden talents.
Mage. Now this is I can dance. I can dance.
You can try it again. 3 hidden talents of Fallon Adria.
I can cook. I can dance. I can one more. Clap.
Okay, very well done, very well answered. You can take a little bit of a breather and you can get your sisters on the frame as well. Are they there? Are your sisters there?
They are there, but I don't think they'll
They can put the face.
like the idea. Yes.
Okay, right. It's time for all your lovely fans to ask some questions, to ask your questions from Fallon. This is the time for your fans to ask questions face to face on this live. Let's see what questions your fans have to ask. Dance cover එකක් ඕනේ. They want a dance cover. Are you ready for a dance
Oops.
cover?
Yes. I'll give you one.
So Fallon's fans, you have a little bit of time to ask some questions from Fallon. She's with you right away. ඔයගලන්ට කැමති ප්‍රශ්නයක් දෙන්න Fallon ගෙන් අහන්න. How tall are you? Shahani is asking.
I think I'm 5'5", I guess.
Okay. What is your school?
I went to Holy Family Convent, Bombay.
Your favorite sister?
That is my sister asking the question. So I'm not gonna ask.
Okay. Do you have a favorite? No.
No.
Buddhima is asking your favorite Tamil actor.
Tamil actor Buddhima, I am not a fan of Tamil movies, but I like I've seen Surya. I like Surya.
Okay. So people are asking to show both your sisters. I'm not sure that they can come on the show, but yeah. Then Janaki is asking, how do you maintain your figure?
How do I maintain my figure?
Yeah.
I don't maintain my figure, Janaki.
That's just she has a God-given voice and a God-given figure. That's what she's trying to say. What's your favorite English song?
I have a lot. It's very hard to name one. I have a lot.
Okay. Then your favorite rap artist?
My favorite rap artist, local or
I think it's
local.
open question.
I like Ravi J. I love Ravi J raps. Yes.
Okay. So those are the questions. A lot of questions are coming on from your fans, but we have limited time because I have asked only 30 minutes from Fallon and Andrea for the live. But I think all these questions will be answered. And just to give a reminder, Fallon, that if they missed out on any of this, if your fans have missed out, you can subscribe to the channel. It is pinned on the comments. It says Joel Outspoon is the YouTube channel. You can check out the entire video on YouTube. And also not forgetting, Fallon has an amazing lineup of music on her YouTube channel. Go and check out Fallon Andrea's YouTube channel as well. And we both are on TikTok. Fallon is on TikTok. I am on TikTok.
Oh,
You
yes.
can go and check TikTok because TikTok is a super platform as well. Go and check out TikTok. Go and check out YouTube. And feel free to share your comments. Finally, I would like to say, Fallon, that it has been a very interesting session. And
Thank you so much.
can you imagine? Today is actually the 10th episode of The Influencer with Joel. And
Wow!
it also happens to be the final episode for season 1. It's the final
Yay.
episode for season 1. So
I'm so glad.
I know it's really rewarding, but nevertheless, I limited it to 10 episodes because we'll be having some more interesting episodes coming along, and I'm so happy to have you on the show. Different
Thank you so much
question.
for having me, Joel.
I want to ask you this question. I think I won't be doing justice if I don't ask you this question. Who is your favorite cousin? Andrew is asking.
That is my cousin.
So
Yes.
can you say his name out? Who is your favorite cousin?
He's Andrew.
Okay, so shout out to Andrew as well. There you go. Fallon's favorite cousin is Andrew. So, Fallon, thank you very much. I think even in the morning you had a long day. You woke up early in the morning. I saw it on your social media. But nevertheless, you look fresh and stunning, and you're with us today. Thank you very
Thank
much
you,
for
Joel.
being on the show and accepting the invitation just like that. So proud of you, and good luck in everything you do. With that, it's a sign off from The Influencer with Joel of season 1. Thank you to all your fans. Thank you to all my fans and my friends for joining on these live sessions. So stay tuned. We'll be bringing more and more new stuff. යන්න ඉස්සෙල්ලා අපි නිකන් යන්නේ අපි ඔයගලන්ගේ මණ්ඩි evening එක rock කරලා නේද යන්නේ. Fallon Andrea is going to do a non-stop session of music. Okay, she has an amazing
Are you
voice.
kidding me?
Let's do like a baila session, okay, before you go, because your fans love that tone and voice of yours. So we'll leave with some great talents of Fallon. Let's go for it. Are you ready, Fallon? Thank you very
Yes,
much.
I'll sing one song that really, people loved, which I sang during the competition.
Okay.
The Bad Breath Monster strikes every few hours. Arm yourself with Klogard Fresh Blast.
ඔබගේ රෝමාගේමයි කතරේ මල් පීදේමයි නොඉඳපු සුව සෑදේමයි ඕ කිරිපැණිසේ පැහැමයි ඔබගේ හද මාගේමයි කතරේ මල් පීදේමයි පෙර මග මුතු පෑදේමයි ඕ කිරිපැණිසේ පැහැමයි
I was expecting more. Are YouTube එකේ හැමදාම අහන සින්දු මෙහෙම live අහන කෙනෙකුට තියෙන සතුට කියලා නිම කරන්න බෑ Fallon. It's maru. Okay.
Thank you, Jess. Thank you.
So thank you very much again, and all the best to you in everything you do. Thank you for joining. Thank you to all these amazing people who joined us on the live as well. So take care, Fallon. All the best. Stay safe. God bless you. Take care.
God bless you too, Joel. Thank you.
Good night.
Stay safe.
Bye.